Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? Imagine crafting before beautiful, unique items that not only transforms homes but also create a steady streams of passive income. Well, if you love your working with wood, you are in the right place. Right craft woodworking decor for passive income. Today we are diving into the exciting world of woodworking decor, not just as a hobby but as a smart way to earn. We are talking about pieces that are more than just functional, they are conservation starters, adding warmth and personality to any home. And the best part, once you have designed and create them, they can keep earning for you. Why woodworking woods has a timeless appeal. It's natural, durable, and each piece that tells its own story from rustic farmhouse to sleek modern woodworking can fit any style. And in a world of mass produced goods, people are increasingly looking for unique handcrafted items that stand out. This is where you come in, unique decors, ideas that sell. So what kind of woodworking decor truly shines and sells? Let's explore some ideas that are in high demand and can be easily replicated or sold as templates. First up, geometric wall art and shelves. Think clean lines, interesting shapes, and modular design. These are incredibly popular for modern and minimalist homes. You can create interlocking pieces, floating shelves with unique brackets, or even abstract wood mosaics. They are relatively straightforward to make and can be scaled up or down in size. Next, consider personalized and engraved items. Think customs, cutting boards, family name signs, or even engraved wooden coasters with a simple laser engravers, or even hand tools. If you are skilled, you can add a personal touch that makes these items incredibly special and highly sought after gifts. Don't overlook stylish planters and plant stands with the indoors plant trend blooming. Unique wooden planters and elevated plant stands are a huge hit. You can design them with different heights, multi-tiered options, or even incorporate storage. Use different styles, types of wood to create contrasting textures. And finally, things about small functionals, desk organizations, and teach stand. In our work from home world, people need tidy, attractive pieces, spaces, wooden phone stands, tablets, holders, phone stands, or small drawers. Organizers are practical, easy to shape, and always in demand. They are also great for using up smaller scraps of wood, turning crafting into passive income. Now, how do you these beautiful creation become passive income? It's simpler than you think. Online marketplace, set up a handmade shop on platform like Etsy or your website. Once your product photos are up and your description are written, sales can happen while you sleep. You just need to fill up the orders. Once your item gain popularity,